So we have done our coding. So our problem statement was like something like this, that you are given input array, and you have to find the smallest missing positive integer. You can refer this sample input and output. Here if I consider this list -4, -2, 1, 3 and 5, you can see that the smallest positive integer that is missing here is 2, because there is 1 there, then after that there should be 2, after that it should be 3, but 2 is not here. So the missing value is 2. That is the positive integer. That should not be negative, or that should not be 0 also. Okay, so this is the problem statement, and here we implemented this logic, like we have incremented each and every element of that input list by 1, and if we are checking if that sum, that addition, that result that we get after the addition, if that is not present in that input list, that means that that value is missing, right? And our task is to collect those missing values, and we are appending those missing values in a different list called L2. Okay, so if I print L2 here, then we will see that L2 is basically the result that we get after adding 1 to each and every element of this list L1. Okay, now we got L2. Now our task is we have to remove the negative elements from that list. Only we have to keep the positive elements, and we have to find the minimum number from that particular list. Okay, so for that we have written this 3 lines of code. That is, we are checking L2, and if there is any element that is greater than 0, then we are appending those elements in a separate list called L3. Now L3 is a list that contains only positive integer. It may be 2 elements or 3 elements or 4 elements, that doesn't matter. Now our task is to print the minimum element from this particular list L3. That's why we are using this min property of the list, and we are printing the minimum element from this, and that is the smallest missing positive integer that we are expecting as our output. So if we try with our sample input, right? So if we try with our this input, you can see that it returned 2. Okay, any kind of sample input you can test this, and you will get the same result. You will get the expected output. So this is my way. I found the solution of this particular problem statement. If you guys have any different approach to solve this particular, or if you have any other idea that can be easier than this, please let me know in my comment section. You can post your answers also in my comment section. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe my channel for more problem solving videos like that, and like my videos, and share with your friends who are struggling for the coding part and all. So thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.